All right, y'all, let's get into this Epis. Y'all, I will not be getting rich off of Epis. I cannot sell you Epis. But you can do it yourself. Go to the store, order on Amazon or Walmart, whatever. Just get the ingredients. You need less than 10 ingredients. You're not going to spend that much. You get a lot of flavor for little money. I know we all make our Epis different. This is what I like. These are the ingredients that I use. Please do not come for me. Get your ingredients, get them cleaned, and we're going to get them chopped up. We're doing a rough chop. We're not mincing. We're not dicing. Ain't nobody got time for all that. Chop them bad boys up, throw them into the blender, and use some oil. Use what you like, what you have, whatever. Just get some oil. And then we're going to blend that bad boy. Blend, baby, blend. I'm not adding any other flavors, powdered, seasoning, bouillon, Maggie cube, whatever. We ain't using all that. We use that when we cook. All I'm doing is adding salt to taste. It brings the flavor out and it also preserves it. And there you go. You got some Epis. That thing so good, make you want to slap your granddaddy. Ha! Y'all, I will not be selling Epis. You can make it yourself.